Tips to dissolve solids without damaging your septic system. A septic system works best when solids are controlled and broken down naturally. If solids build up too much, they can block pipes, create odors, and even damage the system. The good news is that you can dissolve septic tank solids safely without using harsh chemicals. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. With the right approach, your system can stay healthy for years. 1. Use natural enzyme treatments. Septic-safe enzyme products help break down organic waste. These natural treatments boost the bacteria in your tank, making it easier to dissolve solids effectively. 2. Avoid harsh chemicals. Bleach and chemical cleaners kill the good bacteria your system needs. Always choose biodegradable, septic-safe cleaning products instead. 3. Flush warm water occasionally. Running warm water through your drains can help soften grease and loosen solids. This simple step supports the natural breakdown process. 4. Add oxygen with aeration. Septic systems work better with oxygen. Aeration methods or oxygen tablets can speed up the natural digestion of waste inside the tank. 5. Balance with baking soda. A small amount of baking soda can help balance pH levels. This creates the right environment for bacteria to thrive and dissolve septic tank solids faster. 6. Keep food scraps out. Using a garbage disposal adds unnecessary waste. Instead, compost peels, coffee grounds, and shells to reduce the load on your septic system. 7. Pump regularly. No matter how careful you are, some solids remain. Having your tank pumped every 3 to 5 years prevents damage and keeps it working smoothly. Taking care of your septic system doesn't have to be complicated. By using natural methods, avoiding harsh products, and following these steps, you can dissolve solids safely and protect your system. A well-maintained septic tank not only lasts longer, but also saves you from costly repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.